Hi, I'm Carrie Lawless, and we are
Designaholics.
On this channel, we teach DIY hacks, how to achieve high-end looks on a budget, and how to make the most money when you sell your home through staging. Stay with us because we're about to show you how to transform this very vanilla mother-in-law suite, little separate guest quarter. It's got its own bathroom and separate entrance to the outside. Wait till you see what we do to transform this space and make it wonderful for your guest. Space is start with curtains. They are going to anchor the room. They are going to provide color, contrast, and draw the eye all the way up to the ceiling. I'm so excited because our 108s, because these are 9-foot ceilings, are going to go all the way to the top, which is my favorite way to do things.
Yes.
Doesn't it make a difference?
Oh, such a difference.
It really does. Now, the homeowner had this lovely headboard. We decided to keep that. That's the only thing we're keeping in the room besides the TV, and we're going to provide a different table and maybe a seating area or something for that. Let me just show you, in case you haven't seen in our other videos, the way you do this. Okay, so on this curtain rod, it is going to butt into the wall, and I don't want to see, because this is such a short space right here, I don't want to see a piece of blank wall. I want that curtain to go all the way to the wall so it can give the illusion of a wider window. So what you're going to do, these came from Tuesday morning, and what I'm going to do is fold these like an accordion. So I'm gonna fold the first one in like this so that you see the finished side. I see people doing this. Please don't do that. Fold it back and then accordion fold just like this. My favorite is the grommet curtains. You can use the ones with the little, fabric behind it and all that, but I just think these look more finished. And then, just like Natalia did, we're gonna hang this other side next. While Rondi's hanging the other curtain, we're gonna check and make sure that this is the bedding we like. We've been through a couple of different ideas in here. Where's the tag? Here. Okay, tag goes up to the top. Now, here's what I love about this. There are warm colors all over this room. The carpet, the molding, the wall color is super warm. I'm trying to add in some grays, and I love mixing the warms and cools. I try to do that as much as I can. You want a little bit of love?
Always.
Here you go.
Aww,
oh, it's sweet. Oh.
Perfect.
A little love goes a long way. I think I like it.
I do too.
Yeah, I like it. All right, we just have to do the little bathroom. We just need a few little accents there, huh?
I think if somebody comes here, I think I'm leave.
I know.
You made it
This is
too
good.
possible.
I know. So if you don't want your guests to ever leave, this is what you do. Yeah. Actually, we're selling this house, so this is a great feature. So we're going to dress up the little bathroom that goes along with that. So this is the final room of this episode, and what we want to do is make this bathroom really inviting. It's actually really cute. I love this mirror. It's distressed. It's white. I like how everything is just neutral. Actually, the homeowner already painted these. I love the color that she chose. So we're just going to add in a few little warm accessories and make it inviting. All right. What do we have for this space? What do you want to see?
We have a shower curtain. Maybe some few little accessories on top of.
I'm thinking a little bit of color. Y'all, what do y'all think about color?
Some pictures. Look at her.
She's pretty fantastic.
She is.
Do we like this then?
Let's see.
Okay. We brought a few choices. What do we think about that color? Yeah, I like it. I think it goes great with the tan on the wall. Good. Love that. Is that good?
Yep.
Awesome. All right, let's just
shower curtain maybe.
Oh. So that's it. We just added a little bit of decor. Now, my little trick for making showers look bigger is I use actual real curtains, and I like the ones with the grommet, and I like to get them as tall as possible. In this case, we had 95-inch, which was tall enough, and they'll slide on that rod pretty well, and you just put a real, you know, plastic shower curtain behind it so that it is functional. And actually, if you go on Amazon, you can get, which we'll provide a link for you in the description below, but you can get the 95-inch actual fabric shower curtains like they use in hotels that would go right behind that, and then you could just leave everything up and it would be a really finished, beautiful look. But that adds increased height to the room, and then the little bit of decor. I like how it came out. All right, let's finish up in this bedroom. So that is it, the end of episode 3. I really hope you enjoyed how we made this space super comfortable. Please comment below. We want to know what your thoughts are, and we want to see pictures of your rooms. We love to share in the Designaholic community, and please subscribe and ring the little bell for notifications, because we want you too to be a Designaholic along with us. My name is Carrie Lawless, and we are Designaholics.